student for the maths class. We are learning the complex number. In that we are at the last part of this lesson. Before that we have learned exercise 1.1, exercise 1.3. Now the next part is cube root of unity. Now unity means what? The number 1. Number 1 is often called as the unity. If you have to find out the cube root of that number, let's suppose that cube root of 1 is x. So cube root of 1 is equal to x. Take the cubes of both the sides. मग आपण जर दोघं साइडला cubes घेतले, then this become 1 is equal to x cube. Shift this 1 to that side. We are finding the cube roots of the 1. X cube minus 1. This 1 shift to that side, so it becomes x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. Now use the formula a cube minus b cube. What is this identity? A cube minus b cube ची identity काय? A minus b. Another bracket a square plus ab plus b square. मग इथे a square म्हणजे x minus 1, x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. It means that when this product will be 0, either one term should be 0. Therefore we compare here x minus 1 may be 0 or this second bracket may be 0. X square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we are finding the value of x. So the x is equal to 1. The value of x may be 1 or solve this quadratic equation. Now this equation we have to solve by the formula method. Which formula? Negative b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. You know this formula. That is formula method in quadratic equation. So by this formula, if we will solve this equation, we get the two answers. The roots of that quadratic equation is negative 1 plus minus under root negative 3. जनरली आपल्याला क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन मध्ये आतली व्हॅल्यू कधी नेगेटिव्ह मिळत नव्हती. इफ वी गेट अ नेगेटिव्ह व्हॅल्यू व्हॉट वी विल से इट्स नॉट अ रियल नंबर. म्हणजे रियल नंबर नाहीये म्हणजेच तो काय तो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर आहे आणि हाच कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर आपण इथे लर्न करतोय. सो वी गेट अ 1 क्यूब रूट ऑफ द 1 is negative 1 plus minus under root negative 3. This negative 3 can be written as 3 into negative 1. Under root 3 into root negative 1. But we know in previous videos we already learned under root negative 1 means I. So shift this. This can be written as negative 1 plus minus I root 3 upon 2. So here we get the 3 cube roots. 1 चे cube root कोणते असेल? It may be 1. It may be negative 1 plus I root 3 upon 2 or negative 1 minus I root 3 upon 2. Now see. These three are the cube roots of the 1. Now, if we will do so 1 is fixed, 1 is real number. From these three cube roots, 1 is the real number and these two are the complex number. Now, what is the relation between these two roots? When we will take the square of 1, we get the another. म्हणजे एका नंबरचा एका या फॅक्टरचा रूटचा जर स्क्वेअर घेतला तर आन्सर येईल. आता हे तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह करू शकता. ऑलरेडी मागच्या एक्सरसाइज मध्ये तुम्ही लर्न केलंय की यांना सॉल्व्ह कसं करायचं. डू द स्क्वेअर ऑफ न्यूमरेटर, डू द स्क्वेअर ऑफ डिनॉमिनेटर अँड फाइंड आउट यू विल गेट दिस सेम आन्सर. ओके, सो स्क्वेअर ऑफ 1 रूट इज इक्वल टू अनदर रूट. स्क्वेअर वाईस वर्सा. तुम्ही या रूटचं स्क्वेअर केलं तर आन्सर हे रूट मिळतं. सो सपोज दिस रूट ॲज ए ओमेगा. Now this is a new concept. So this root is denoted. प्रत्येक वेळी आपल्याला एवढा मोठा रूट लिहायची गरज नाहीये. So indicate this root, represent this root as a omega. So what is the relation? If this is omega, then next one becomes omega square. एक जर ओमेगा असेल तर दुसरा ओमेगा स्क्वेअर असेल. So if this is omega, this becomes omega square. So in short, we get the three cube roots. It may be 1, omega or omega square. These are the cube root of unity. Now we will see what are the properties of this cube root of unity. Properties of the cube root of unity. Omega च्या properties काय? Now what is omega? Omega is a complex cube root of 1. Complex cube root of 1 जे त्याला आपण म्हटले त्याच्यात तीन आपल्याला आले होते cube roots 1, omega and omega square. Complex cube root find out करतोय. 1 is a real number. Okay, so we are finding for these two complex cube root. Omega cube is always 1. आपण आधीच बघितलं होतं की cube root of 1 is omega. So what is omega cube? So value of omega cube is always 1. जसं आपण आय स्क्वेअर ची व्हॅल्यू बघितली होती -1. सेम वे ओमेगा क्यूबचा आन्सर येतं 1. ओमेगा क्यूब -1 इज इक्वल टू 0 मीन्स ओमेगा -1 पुन्हा a क्यूब मायनस b क्यूब. यूज द फॉर्म्युला आयडेंटिटी a क्यूब मायनस b क्यूब. सो ओमेगा -1 इंटू ओमेगा स्क्वेअर प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वेअर प्लस ओमेगा प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. नाउ सी ओमेगा -1 कॅन बी 0. ओमेगा स्क्वेअर प्लस ओमेगा प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. एक हा ब्रॅकेट 0 असू शकतो किंवा हा ब्रॅकेट 0 असू शकतो. So here we get omega is equal to 1. But omega is not 1. Why it is not 1? Because it is a complex cube root and 1 is a real number. So this condition is bad. We cannot consider omega as a 1. So what we have to use? Omega square plus omega plus 1 is equal to 0. ही कंडिशन आपल्याला जास्तीत जास्त वेळ लागते सम सॉल्व करताना. अगेन ओमेगा स्क्वेअर अजून कसं लिहिता येतं? तर ओमेगा स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन ओमेगा. हाऊ? सी ओमेगा स्क्वेअर इंटू 1 अपॉन ओमेगा. आता इथे ओमेगा स्क्वेअर जर लिहिलं असेल तर त्याच्या जागी आपल्याला काय लिहिता येतं? 1 अपॉन ओमेगा. ओमेगा क्यूब अपॉन ओमेगा जर केलं तर आन्सर येतो ओमेगा स्क्वेअर. करेक्ट. ना ओमेगा क्यूब मीन्स व्हॉट? 1 अपॉन ओमेगा. सो वी गेट ओमेगा स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन ओमेगा. दिस वे वी कॅन वाईस अजून चेंज जर केला तर हा ओमेगा तिकडे गेला तर आन्सर काय? 1 अपॉन ओमेगा स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू ओमेगा. हे कन्व्हर्जन आपल्याला सम सॉल्व करताना नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज मध्ये लागणार आहे. तुम्हाला जनरली एवढंच लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे ओमेगा क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 1. मग ओमेगाच्या रेस टू 3 मध्ये जेही मल्टिपल मध्ये असेल 9 असेल तर आन्सर काय येणार आहे? 1. वाय? बिकॉज ओमेगा क्यूब रेस टू क्यूब. सो आन्सर 1 रेस टू 3 1. म्हणून नेहमी तुम्हाला ओमेगाची जी पॉवर आहे तिला जर 3 मध्ये मल्टिपल मध्ये केलं आपण तर त्याचा नेहमी आन्सर काय येतं? वी गेट द आन्सर एज ए 1. ओमेगा रेस टू 4. ओमेगा रेस टू 4 मीन्स ओमेगा क्यूब इनटू ओमेगा. But we know what is omega cube? That is 1 into omega. So omega raised to 4 is always equal to omega. जसं आपण लास्ट याच्यात बघितलं होतं I raised to 4n, I raised to 4n plus 1, I raised to 4n plus 2. त्याच्या जशा डिफरंट व्हॅल्यूज होत्या तशाच हे ओमेगाच्या व्हॅल्यूज आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचे. आता सम सॉल्व करण्याच्या आधी बेसिक आपल्याला या 2 गोष्टी लक्षात ठेवायच्या. एक्सरसाइज 1.4 साठी ओमेगा क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 1. Omega 3 raised to 8 is also 1. 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. इथे आपण ओमेगा स्क्वेअर प्लस ओमेगा प्लस 1 लिहिलं होतं. तुम्ही ऍडिशनल मध्ये नंबर्स चेंज करू शकता. मग आता या एका प्रॉपर्टी फ्रॉम दिस वन प्रॉपर्टी वी कॅन डिराइव द 3 प्रॉपर्टीज. सेम ओमेगा प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू -1. 1 plus omega is equal to negative omega square. 1 plus omega square is equal to negative omega. So how we have to use in the given example? या 3 प्रॉपर्टीज मधून आपल्याला त्यांच्या व्हॅल्यूज पुट डाउन करायच्या आणि मग सम सॉल्व करायचं. द मेन इज जस्ट 1. ओमेगा क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 1 and 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. So this way we are going to use in exercise 1.4. Last exercise 1.4. The first question is find the values of. The questions are given omega raised to 18, omega power 18. Now this 18 is a multiple of 3. मी तुम्हाला आधी सांगितलं try to write this power in a form of 3. So this 18 can be written as omega raised to 3 into 6. 3 into 6 18. And we know what is omega raised cube? That is 1 raised to 6. 1 raised to any number, answer is 1. You can write the reason omega cube is equal to 1. Omega raised to 21. Omega write in the form of cube. 7 into 3 21 and 1 raised to 7. So again answer is 1. Write down the reason. Omega raised to -3. Now this -3 can be write in the form of positive 30 by taking its reciprocal. So omega raised to 30. आपण laws of indices मध्ये लर्न केले. A raised to -1 can be written as A raised to 1. Sorry, direct असं लिहिलं तरी चालेल 1 upon A. So this 1 upon omega raised to 30. 1 upon. Now 30 can be written as 3 into 10. So omega cube raised to 10. Again it is 1 raised to 10 and answer is 1 upon 1 means 1. 1 upon omega raised to 105. 105. We know the test of divisibility. 3 ची टेस्ट ऑफ डिव्हिजिबिलिटी. एखाद्या नंबरला 3 डिवाइड करता येतं का नाही याच्यासाठी काय टेस्ट आहे? डू द ॲडिशन ऑफ दिस डिजिट्स. If that addition is divisible by 3, the number is divisible by 3. 1 plus 5, 6 means this whole number is divisible by 3. Now see, 1 upon omega raised to 3. Divide this 105 by 3. 3 3 is 9, remaining 1, 15, so it is raised to 3. इथे नंबर कोणता येऊ द्या. This number can be 1000, 11, whatever it is. 1 raised to any number, answer is 1. Therefore 1 raised to 35. 1 upon 1, answer is 1. Now the question number 2. In question 2, the omega is a complex cube root of, find if it is a complex cube root, then show that this multiplication is equal to 7. Now do the multiplication. How we are doing the binomial to binomial? Same way treat these two numbers. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into negative omega square, negative 2 omega square. Negative omega into 2, negative 2 omega. Negative negative positive omega into omega square, that is omega cube. Now put down the values. 4 minus 2 omega common काढला. इथे 2, इथे पण 2 आहे, इथे omega square आहे, इथे omega आहे. So take out 2 omega as a common. So what is remaining here? Omega minus 1 plus omega cube means 1. Now 4 plus 1, that is 5, minus 2 omega into omega minus 1. What is omega minus 1? Put down the values. Can we put down any value for that? No. Better we can take just 2 omega square minus omega. त्याच्यासाठी आपल्याकडे व्हॅल्यू आहे. Omega square minus omega. Minus 2 omega. If we are taking negative 2 omega, so okay. This become positive. See, when we are taking negative 2 as a common, so the inside signs get changed. Negative 2 omega into omega, negative 2 omega square, negative 2 plus 1 means into plus 1. So answer is negative 2 omega. Now, what is omega plus 1? 1 plus omega is equal to negative omega square. So put that value, negative omega square. Now 5 minus plus 2 omega cube. 5 plus 2 omega cube means 1. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So this multiplication is equal to 7. Question 2 मध्ये 1 plus omega bracket cube minus 1 plus omega square raised to 3 is equal to 0. म्हणजे हे सॉल्व केल्यानंतर आन्सर 0 आलं पाहिजे. Now we'll solve this. This is the LHS. Now याला काय आपल्याला a plus b bracket cube याच्याने सॉल्व नाही करायचं आहे. ठीक आहे, आपल्याकडे फॉर्म्युला आहे 1 plus omega. What is 1 plus omega? 1 plus omega is equal to negative omega square raised to 3 minus 1 plus omega square. What is 1 plus omega square? 1 plus omega square is equal to negative omega. Omega cube square plus omega cube. Now negative omega cube means 1 square plus 1. So negative 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Question 3. Solve this one and get the answer as a 65. So this is our LHS. Now we'll start with this. Now put the value of omega plus omega square is equal to negative 1. 2 plus negative 1 bracket raised to cube minus. Here do the arrangement. 1 and omega square we have. 1 plus omega square is equal to negative omega. 1 plus omega square is equal to negative omega square. So write it together. 1 plus omega square minus 3 omega raised to 3. Now we'll put the value of this. Now 2 minus 1, that is 1 cube, minus 1 minus omega square means negative omega minus 3 omega cube. 1 cube minus omega minus 3 omega becomes negative 4 omega bracket cube. Now 1 cube means 1, negative negative positive 4 omega cube 1 square cube of 4 is 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64 omega cube. But we know what is omega cube. Omega cube means 1, so 1 plus 64 into 1 is equal to 65. Next question, a plus b omega plus c omega square upon c plus a omega plus b omega square is equal to omega square. So this is the LHS. LHS. Now write down the denominator in a sequence ABC. A plus b omega plus c omega square upon a omega plus b omega square plus c. Now see student, if we multiply numerator and denominator by omega, then we get the omega cube, and instead of omega cube we can write 1. Now see, we will multiply both the numerator and denominator by omega. Omega upon 1 plus b omega plus c omega square a omega plus b omega square plus c. Now omega into a omega plus b omega square plus c omega cube upon a omega square b omega cube plus c omega. Now if we see denominator, the omega is common. If we take out the omega common from that, हा जर असाच आपण ठेवला, फक्त वरती जर मल्टिप्लाय केलं असतं तर आपल्याला आन्सर खाली फक्त a ओमेगा b ओमेगा स्क्वेअर आणि c सेम मिळालं असतं. ठीक आहे. Take out omega common from here and omega cube as a 1. See, 1 omega plus a omega plus b omega square plus c. आता इथे c काय झाला? This omega cube means 1. So c into 1, that is 1 upon omega common. So what is inside? एक omega आपण बाहेर काढलाय. So it is a omega plus b omega square plus c. So this numerator and denominator get cancelled. So what is remaining? 1 upon omega. When we don't want to show 1 upon omega, the question is show that omega square. इथे omega square आला पाहिजे. So we'll multiply numerator and denominator by omega square. Same number ने multiply केला. So we are keeping the same. The question is as same as omega square upon omega square means 1. Now see, 1 into omega square. Omega into omega square means omega cube, and omega cube means 1. So omega square upon 1 is equal to omega square. So this way the given term is equal to omega square. आधीच्या क्वेश्चन मध्ये शो दॅट करायचं होतं, म्हणजे LHS आणि RHS ची अगेन्स्ट व्हॅल्यू तुम्हाला दिली होती. दॅट वी हॅव टू शो बोथ. नाव हियर द फाइंड द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ दिस. मग याचा आन्सर काय हे फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. ओमेगा प्लस 1 अपॉन ओमेगा एक नंबर आणि फ्रॅक्शन मध्ये जसं तुम्ही LCM करून किंवा क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन करून करता सेम वे सॉल्व करायचं. ओमेगा इंटू ओमेगा स्क्वेअर, सॉरी ओमेगा इंटू ओमेगा, दॅट इज ओमेगा स्क्वेअर प्लस 1 अपॉन ओमेगा. नाउ ओमेगा स्क्वेअर प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू नेगेटिव्ह ओमेगा. ते इथे लिहून ठेवलेलं आपण आधीच. ओमेगा स्क्वेअर प्लस 1 म्हणजे नेगेटिव्ह ओमेगा. सो नेगेटिव्ह ओमेगा अपॉन ओमेगा. So these both cancel. Answer is negative. Simple है, सगळे simple है. ओमेगा स्क्वेअर प्लस ओमेगा क्यूब प्लस ओमेगा रेस टू 4. क्वेश्चन बघितल्याबरोबरच लक्षात येतं की त्याच्यामध्ये ओमेगा स्क्वेअर कॉमन आहे. जो लीस्ट नंबर असतो तो कॉमन असतो. लीस्ट नंबर कोणता आहे? 2. Take out omega square as a common. So what is remaining here? 1. From 3 to already outside, so 1 omega. From 4 to outside, that is omega square. And we know what is the value of 1 plus omega square is always equal to 0. Therefore, omega square into 0, any number multiplied by 0, that is 0. Now we see the third one. 1 plus omega square raised to 3. Now what is 1 plus omega square? The value of 1 plus omega square is equal to negative omega cube. Now negative omega cube is negative omega cube. And we know what is omega cube, that is 1. So answer is negative 1. Give the reason, always write down omega cube is equal to 1. The next question is 1 minus omega square raised to 3. See, omega and omega square, we have the value for omega and omega square. But omega plus omega square ची value आहे. जर आपण याच्यात मायनस कॉमन काढला, इथून मायनस कॉमन घेतला, ब्रॅकेट मध्ये काय ओमेगा, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस मायनस दिस बिकम प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वेअर and this cube as it is plus 1 plus omega square, we write it together, minus omega raised to 3. Now see, 1 minus omega plus omega square means negative 1. Omega plus omega square means negative 1. So 1 minus negative 1 cube plus 1 plus omega square means negative omega, and this negative omega cube. Minus minus plus, so it is 1 minus minus, so it is 1 plus 1, 2 omega cube minus 2 omega cube. 2 cube minus 2 cube and omega cube. So omega cube means 1 and 2 cube minus 2 cube, answer is 0. Last question for this exercise. If alpha and beta are the cube root, complex cube root of the given number, show that alpha square plus beta square plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. Now alpha and beta are the cube roots. We know what are the cube roots. Complex cube root of one unity, that is alpha is equal to negative 1 plus I root 3 upon 2 and beta is equal to negative 1. हाँ प्लस असेल तो दूसरा माइनस upon 2. These are the two roots. Now see, what is alpha plus beta? Already we have learned this in 10th standard. Then those roots दिले असेल, do their addition. Alpha plus beta, negative 1 plus I root 3 upon 2 plus negative 1 minus I root 3 upon 2. दोघांचे base 7. So directly this negative, positive and this negative get cancelled. So what is remaining? Negative 1, that is negative 2 upon 2. The answer is negative 1. Alpha into beta, negative 1 plus I root 3 upon 2 into negative 1 minus I root 3 upon 2. A plus B, A minus B. The expansion of this is A square minus B square. These are the identities. Already we have learned these all. So first means this number. Consider the number as, if I will write this negative 1 upon 2, this is A. I root 3 upon 2, this is B. Negative 1 upon 2 minus I root 3 upon 2. Minus 1 upon 2 is A. I root 3 upon 2, this is B. So according to A plus B, A minus B, A square. Negative 1 upon 2 square minus B, I root 3 upon 2 square. 1 square is 1 upon 4. I is a square to negative 1. Negative 1 into 3, root 3 is a square 3. So 3 into negative 1, negative 3, and this negative 3 into negative, that is positive 3 upon 4. Base same असतील तर numeratorची addition 1 plus 3, that is 4. 4 upon 4 is 1. So here we get answer. Alpha plus beta is a negative 1. Alpha into beta is a negative. Sorry, positive 1. Now see students. Show that alpha square plus alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta is equal to 0. This can be written as I plus alpha beta is equal to, this can be represented as alpha plus beta bracket square minus alpha beta. Now We know the value of alpha plus beta square. What is the alpha plus beta? That is negative 1. Negative 1 square minus alpha into beta means 1. Square of negative number is always positive, so it is 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So this way we can find out, show that alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha beta is equals to 0. From that, second one is alpha raised to 4 plus beta raised to 4 plus alpha raised to negative 1 into beta raised to negative 1. मग प्रीवियस एक्झाम्पल मध्ये आपण कसं लिहिलं होतं त्याची इक्वालिटी, तसंच अल्फा रेस टू 4 प्लस बीटा रेस टू 4 into alpha raised to negative 1 beta raised to negative 1 can be written as this way. See student, if you will solve this one, you will get the answer as this one. So we can use, how we have used last year, alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta bracket square minus 2 alpha beta. Such a combination, same way it is for raised to 4. So it can be written, this can be written as this way. Now put the values. Plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta bracket square minus 2 alpha beta square minus 2. This alpha square beta square can be written as alpha beta bracket square 1 upon alpha beta. Now put the value. Alpha plus beta means negative 1 square minus 2 alpha beta means 1 bracket square minus 2 into alpha into beta 1 square. Alpha into beta is 1, so that is 1. Now 1 square is 1. 1 minus 2 square minus 2 plus 1. 1 minus 2 is negative 1 bracket square minus 2 plus 1. Square of negative is always positive. So 1 minus 2 plus 1. 1 plus 1 2 and 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. So here we have completed this exercise. The next questions are reduced from your syllabus. Thank you.